Today we'll talk about how can you set passcode on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just go down here, you click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on platform, just click on it. Then you go down here, you keep going down. You come here to safety here, click in this sign. Then here add your passcode, you just add it here. So then you add it, then you confirm it again, then it's going to enable with you here on safety. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.